It's one of those days when you want to do nothing but enjoy the lovely weather and the sun, and that's it. So let's walk together. Merhaba and namaste from Istanbul. I'm Upasana and welcome back to my channel. Today we are at the biggest, largest public park in the city of Istanbul, and it is more than 287,000 square meters. So let's see what we have here. The Yıldız Park was one of the imperial garden of the Yıldız Palace, and the area of the Yıldız used to be a forest during Byzantine times. Starting during the reign of Suleiman the Magnificent, the sultans made it their hunting grounds. This beautiful hanging bridge is under renovation today. My luck sucks. I truly love nature, and maybe that's why I find beauty in a lot of little things. Also, thank you so much for all the questions that you have sent forward on the comment section of the community tab, in which I had asked you guys to ask me any question that you wanted to ask, whether it be about Istanbul or about myself. So I have received quite a couple of questions, and I have also been collecting a few questions from Instagram and the comment section of my other videos. So if you haven't yet asked your question, this is your chance. The next video is going to be about the questions that you asked, and I'll answer them one by one. Places like these are perfect for social distancing. Warm today. I came out with a jacket, but I've taken it off because it's so sunny, it's burning my skin almost. Also, fun fact, today is the first time in more than 6 years that I've ever stepped foot on this grounds of the Yıldız Park, because it's Istanbul. You always have something new to go to discover. So I didn't rush my time here exploring each and every touristic place. So today was the day. I'm excited personally to come here again during the tulip season, which is going to be amazing, because all the greenery you see here is all going to be colorful. So that is going to be very much fun when the tulip season starts. I don't have much to talk about this place because it's just a huge, large compound of greenery and forest and tiny lakes and streams. So it's for you to see, not for me to talk too much. The roads, the walls, everything smells of history here. From here you can also spot the Bosphorus Bridge as well as the largest mosque in Turkey. I have said this before and I'm saying it again. Istanbul is a feeling. Of one thing you can be sure, you will fall in love with Istanbul, like I did, again and again and again. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful Yıldız Park in the Beşiktaş district of Istanbul, and we'll come back here again in the month of April when it's full of tulips, different varieties and colors of tulips. Until then, we have to go ahead with the other videos. I'll see you in my next video, in which I'm going to answer all your questions and your queries about Istanbul scholarship, and about me, and on and on and on and on. So until then, take care. I love you guys. Bye.